Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market video for the week of February 24th, 2014. Let's take a look at what happened last week. So we moved higher. We actually ticked to a new high by one tick on Wednesday, but most of the week we just churned back and forth. Now, this pattern right here, I would be looking at this as a bullish pattern, if not for recent history, which is back from January, which is this a very similar pattern, a nice coil at the highs, wound up releasing to the downside. Now the coil itself tells us we should be on look for a move either way, okay? But the position of the coil right at right at all-time highs after this nice push up. All right, with this one, it's actually a little bit of a better coil because the move was actually more. The move was more. I don't want to say controlled or methodological, whatever it is. Anyway, but it was more. I don't know, and it wasn't as abrupt as this. Kind of took its time. This one went on a nice big push up, but then from here we went sideways. So I mean, I would have thought that this was going higher, and that's what I was saying if you've been watching my videos. But instead, we went down. So yeah, I lean to the upside, but gotta wait for confirmation. As always, I mean, a pattern is just a pattern until it gets the confirmation, until it gets the trigger. Okay, Q's same deal. Russell's still lagging, but they did close above the key Fibonacci retracement, so that kind of suggests that we're gonna go to the highs up here. But again, I mean, it formed a doji on Friday. I'm going to get this out of the way. It formed a doji on Friday. So it doesn't look like there's a lot of commitment to the upside there. But, I mean, it is, it's still trying to move higher. Here's the Dow surfing on that blue moving average, which is the 50-day moving average. The mid-caps tipped to another high. But also, they formed a doji, but at least they came from, they hit the high first. So again, another consolidation here. And like I said, I think we're going to go higher, but I mean, in my opinion, it's wait and see here. It's definitely wait for confirmation here. It's not easy. I'm sure everybody will, if this rockets higher, everybody will come out saying, oh, that was easy. And if it falls, it'll be like, oh, well, look what happened last time. So to avoid that, I'm just going to wait and see which way this breaks from. Okay? I lean to the upside. I want to see confirmation, though. That's it. If you would like to join Paul Schatz and I for our Sunday night strategy session, I will put the link in the description below. It is free to attend. You could come and ask your questions as well as getting a lecture on the market. What else? The newsletter is still free, and you can access that. I will give you the link also in the YouTube description, and you can get on the daily email list where I send out an email every market day and talk about the market and what I see, etc. Okay, so I'll put all those links in the description. Have a great week, and I will talk to you in the next video.